Hello, Instagram and Facebook family. I got this box earlier today. Snack Crate. If you're not familiar with Snack Crate, it's a place where you can get boxes of snacks from all over the world. My cousin told me about this, and I'm just now trying it. Told me about it like I want to say a year ago. I don't know if she's. I think it's like 2 other ones that I follow, but I know Snack Crate is one of them, and I actually tried them. So I got my box today. Got to see where the snacks are from, and what do we have in the box. Okay, so this is how it looks when you first open it. Oh, your stickers. Oh, it came from Denmark. I think I'm saying it right. Denmark. And then they have the cool stickers on here. Guess it's representing, Denmark. Okay. Guess this is their flag or whatever. So, alright, about to open up the box. Okay. You can go here to subscribe. There's different boxes, sizes. I just got the one that has 5 just because I want to try it. So yeah, you can go here or go to their Instagram page. Alright, and then they have this. Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh, these cookies are from there? Oh, we used to get these cookies all the time. Yeah, look pretty cool. Alright, so snack chips. Alright. Kind of look familiar though. Ooh, the checks yeah, it kind of looks like checks. Alright, and then we have these. These look familiar too. Upsy Pups. Upsy Pups. Alright, original. Okay, we're gonna see how that tastes. It looks like we got some candy. Alright, Super Flyers. They feel like straw candy or something. Hey, I can kind of smell it. That's kind of good. Like that. Then there is chocolate, I guess. It looks weird. I don't know about this one. I don't know about trying out. But then again, it might be good. Got 2 of those. Then we have this. Looks like, it feels like a candy bar, but right here it looks like eggs. Then we have this. Looks like a Snickers. Or a Twix. It looks like a Twix. So what if it is a Twix? It just changed the name. Okay, that's all that's in my box. I will do another video of me trying this stuff.